Hi everyone, welcome. Today, um, on Saturday. Yes, it's actually Saturday on December the 18th, 2021. And I've told you earlier we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. So I've decided to continue with the edition of Monday, November the 29th, 2021. Yeah, we have 4 days in a row with no additional, with extra puzzles. So I need to look for in my archive with all puzzles. So this old puzzle a month ago, the letter Sudoku, we have here 2-star Sudoku and a tectonic. So 3 puzzles are left in this additional. But first we will solve this letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number. This will be number 3847. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. And yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. And 9 of, no, not digits, letters. Correction, letters. And we have 9 letters to use: the A, the O, the T, the K, the R, the U, the B, the W, and the M. So let's get started. Let me see which letter can I pick. How about M, B. Yeah, we have A in this row, A in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there, no A there. A should be there. A. A in this column, A in the column next. So that last column, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be here. I'm thinking. Kitty cat, move. I don't want you here. Okay. Oh, no. 4 missing letters. Go. Apologies again. Let me think. We have the A, M, U, we have R in this row, R in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the R should be there. Go away. No. Okay. On the ground, yes. We've here the R. So the K K, K, K. The U, T. W, M. M, M. Not easy at all. A. O, O. Yeah, four missing letters in this column. Two of those missing letters are the K and the W. We have a K and W in this big square, so no K and a W in these two boxes. The K and the W goes in those two boxes as a pair. K and a W. We have a W there, no W there. W goes in this box and the K goes in this box. Two missing letters in this column. For the letters R is missing and the T is missing. R and a T. Let me mark those. R and a T. All right. We have a pair. Three missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the O and the B. We have O and a B in this row, so no O and a B in this box. The O and the B goes in those two boxes. So one letter is missing in this big square for the letter T. No. U is missing. Yes, the U is missing. U. U and the kitty cat. What are you doing? M is missing in the middle row and the M and the U is missing. M and the U. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here and the U goes there. B. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, B is missing and the U is missing. We have a U there, no U there. U should be here and the B goes there. B. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is an O. We have an O there, no O in these three boxes. There, no O in these two boxes. So one box left for the O. Should be here. Now we have O there, so this box can be O anymore. That box should be an O, and this box should be a B. Yeah. All right. Three missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is the M. We have an M there, no M there. Here an M, no M there. The only place left for the M should be here. W is missing in this column, and W and K is missing. W and the K. World Cup, okay. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. Oh, kitty cat. Don't believe this. Go away. Go away. Not in my space. 3 missing letters in this big square. For the letters O is missing. We have an O there, no O in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the O. Should we have 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters? T is missing, and the M is missing. T and the M. No. T and M. T and M. Alright, T and M. We have an O in this row, O in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see there, no O there, O should be here. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a B. We see here B, no B in these 2 boxes, so the B could be here. Well, or there, but we already have a B there, so the B should be definitely here. B in the third column, B in this column, B in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the B should be here or there. We see there B, no B there. B should be here. 2 missing letters here. The O, no. The U and the R are missing. U and the R. We have a U there, no U there. U should be here, and the R goes there. And I've solved this word. The word in Dutch, it's bouwmarkt. If you translate this in English, construction market. Yeah. Solve this in 12 minutes, but let me continue. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters W. And the M is missing. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here, and the W goes there. Now we have an R there, so this box can't be R anymore. That box should be an R, and this box should be a T. 1 box left in this row for the letter W. W in this first column, W in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for W should be here. Now we have a W here. So this box can't be W anymore. That box should be a W, and this box should be a K. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. R is missing, and the T is missing. R and a T. RT. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters an A. We have an A there. No A in these 3 boxes. Here an A. No A in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A. Should be there. A in this row. A in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see here an A. No A there. A should be here. 2 missing letters in the middle column for the letters. U is missing, and the T is missing. U and the T. We have a U here, so no U there. U should be here, and the T goes there. Alright. Then A in this column, A in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be here. Yeah. The O in this column, O in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see there no O there. O should be here. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters an R. We see here an R. No R in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the R. Should be there. Okay. T and a B. 3 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the T and a B. We have a T and a B in this row, so no T and a B in this box. The T and a B goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, T and the B. We have a B there, no B there. B should be here, and the T goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the letter W. Yeah, W is missing. So we have a W in this row, W in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left. Oh, no. This is a W. So this box cannot be a W. This box should be a K. Correction. The K should be that box. So 1 box left in this row for the W. 2 boxes left in this big square for the letters R and the K. Yeah, we have a K there, no K there. K should be here, and the R should be there. Now we have R there, so this box can be on anymore. That box should be an R, and this box should be a T. Alright, 2 missing letters in the first column for the letters. U is missing, and the M is missing. U and the M. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here, and the U goes there. Now we have an M here. This box can't be an M anymore. That box should be the M, and this box should be a T. 1 box left in this row for the B. The B is missing. All right, 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. Oh, K and a T. K and a T. I cannot fill this yet. All right, how about these 2 missing letters in this row? M is missing, and a T is missing. M and a T. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here, and the T goes there. Now we have a T there, so this box can be T anymore. That box should be a T, and this box should be a K. Final 2 letters in this big square for the letters K and the O R. K and R. We have a K there, no K there. K should be here, and the R goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, usual for 27 digits, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For Letter Sudoku, I need more time, 15 to 20 minutes. Well, okay, 70 minutes. And I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 2 stars puzzle. It will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.